using RP system. Introduction. The development of optical fiber communication systems rabbit recent years involved a very high degree of complexity. Fiber communication system, the research includes the use of RT systems to design the WDM using WDM. RT system is an innovative, rapidly evolving and a powerful software design tool that involves the users to plan, test and simulate almost every type of optical link in the transmission layer of the broad of the optical networks from LAN, SAN, MAN to ultra long. It offers transmission layer optical communication system design and planning from component to system level and visually presence analysis and background theory. One of the advantages of optical fiber is transmission of different wavelengths along a single fiber simultaneously in the 1300 to 1600 nm spectral band. It also increases the bandwidth by allowing different data streams to be sent simultaneously over the single optical fiber network. This is a block diagram about the WDM. At a transmitter, the system consists of independently modulated light sources, each emitting signals at the unique wavelength. A multiplexer combines the optical output into the serial spectrum closely, wavelength signals and couple them on a single fiber. At a receiver, it consists of demultiplexer which separates the wavelength and sends the signal to the receiver. The system consists of 8 different external modulator signals which consist of 1093.1, 1093.3, 1093.5, 1093.7 and 1093.9, 1093.1, 1093.5 and a power of 10 dBm for all the lasers. A CM laser is a laser that emits the continuous laser beam with the controlled heat output as beam duration and intensity. The NRZ generator pulse generator creates the sequence of non-return to zero pulses coded by an input signal. Stimulation has been done using a software opti system. It is a graphical user interface software where block diagrams are made using the blocks available in the software. This is the block diagram of a single external modulator system. This is a block diagram of total stimulation diagram in opti system. Different power in WL shows the wavelength diagram taken from optic spectrum analyzer at opti system, which shows the central wavelength at which the laser is emitted from the external modulator laser. It is a table, the output data from WDM analyzer and demultiplication signals for 1093.1 TH and 1093.TH. And conclusion. In this repeat, the simulation of a wavelength division, multiplexing and demultiplexing has been shown and analysis on the result has been done. Different wavelengths are sent via external modulator lasers which are multiplexed under multiplexer. These are the references for this project. Thank you.